Hi guys, so I just came out of a YouTube live stream and experienced so many glitches, technical glitches. And as I wrapped it up, um, ngazibuza ukuthi, but why um, glitches? And it's not the first time that I experience technical glitches when I have to do spiritual teachings, live spiritual teaching. And this is what I concluded. I will not betray myself, and I will not betray the God in me, and I will not betray Creator God. Let us be careful not to betray ourselves. Um, God says that His plans are to prosper us, and we don't get to, some of us, most of us don't get to that part of prospering in something, anything, because we allow fear to paralyze and cripple us. We allow the fear of the unknown, and the fear of trying out new things, the fear of failing in certain experiences, the fear of who the hell does she or think he is, the fear of who do I think I am, because sometimes we are the self sabotagers. Um, may we have the courage not to sabotage ourselves, the courage not to betray God's dream for our lives, the courage not to betray God's vision and plans for our lives. I always say He's the master creator. He's so creative. His creativity is limitless. His creativity is just great and majestic. But we are the ones that limit how far He can express Himself through our lives, through us. We betray ourselves because we, as narcissists being, to dare this thing called life, uh, regardless of how many times we fall, but to dare this thing called life, um, to stick it out, until we see what His grand plan is for us. He has created and destined us for izinto ezinhle, but we will never meet up with our destiny because we are not aligned. We are not aligned with His vision for us. We're not aligned with His plans for us, um, because we are too concerned with what if akhambi kahle. But what if khamba kahle? What if akhambi kahle this time? What if kuzohamba isikhathi kulunge? Um, I'm grateful for all the experiences, the new experiences that I'm cultivating courage with each day that passes to face. I'm grateful for the changes that happen. I'm grateful for the discomfort, and I'm grateful for um, all experiences. I'm grateful for every little opportunity to try, because if we do not, then we will never uh, elevate a divinity. We will never allow with the divinity enough to elevate to what we are called for. So we have a choice. You can either be the person that the world says you are, that the naysayers say you are, that um, others say you are. You can be the person that you feel at the depth of your soul that you are. or better yet, be the person that God says you are and allow Him to have a full expression of His creativity through your life. Good evening.